Greetings from Fresa Technologies. My name is Kumar. Fresa Technologies is providing software to freight forwarding industries. Our product name is Fresa Gold and it is being used in around 50 plus countries. We are providing SaaS based services to our customers. We are also doing software development, support services, data analytics, website design, and hosting as per customer requirement. In Malaysia, we have already provided our services to many customers. FM Global Logistics is one of our major customer at Malaysia. We are providing development support services to them. We have planned to register our company at Malaysia and extend our software services over there. That's why we are planning to attend the RISE event at Malaysia. This will give more insight about Malaysian market. The RISE is organizing this event very well. So excited to meet you all there. Thank you.